Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of enlargement. To begin, understand that the center of enlargement is the fixed point from which all points on an object are enlarged or reduced. Imagine a light source casting a shadow. The light source is like your center of enlargement. It dictates the position and orientation of your new, scaled image. This point can be anywhere, inside the original shape, outside it, or even directly on one of its vertices. Knowing its location is crucial for accurate transformations. The most straightforward way to find the center of enlargement involves drawing lines. First, identify corresponding vertices on both your original object and its enlarged image. For example, if point on the original corresponds to on the image, draw a straight line connecting A and A. Repeat this for at least two other pairs of corresponding vertices, like B to B and C to C. Extend these lines carefully. The point where all these lines intersect is your center of enlargement. It's a reliable visual method. When working with coordinates, you can use a more analytical approach. If you know the coordinates of a point on the original object, its corresponding point on the image, and the scale factor, you can set up an equation. The formula for enlargement is image equals center plus scale factor multiplied by the difference between original and center. By rearranging this equation and using two pairs of corresponding points, you can solve for the unknown coordinates of the center of enlargement. This method offers precision, especially for complex shapes. Understanding the scale factor is also key. It tells you how much the object has been enlarged or reduced. A scale factor greater than 1 means enlargement, while a factor between 0 and 1 indicates reduction. If the scale factor is negative, the image will be inverted and appear on the opposite side of the center of enlargement. Always double-check your corresponding points to avoid errors. For more insights into financial growth and smart money management, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.